Hello viewers, this Too Fast here. In today's video I'll be replacing all 3 wipers on my Nissan Rogue. Now this set of new wipers I got has a silicone blade, so it lasts a lot longer than the original ones, and is suitable for all weather conditions. I'll show you how to replace the 2 front wipers and the one on the back. Let's get started. Inside this box are 3 silicone wiper blades. On the label it tells you is 12-inch, 17-inch, and 26-inch. The 26-inch and the 17-inch is for the front windshield, 12-inch is for the back window. So here I'll open this up. Let's take a look at the wiper blades. Now on each of these wiper blades you see this yellow cover. You need to remove this plastic cover. That's to protect the edge of the wiper. So let's have a closer look at one of the wiper blade. Now this is a silicone wiper blade you see right here. Also has a graphene coating on it. It allows for less friction when you're using this. And being silicone, it'll work great during winter and summer. And it's flexible, it's curved, so it'll apply pressure on the windshield when you're using this. Looking in the middle, you have this cover that you can squeeze and open up. When you're installing this, insert the hook into the middle here and then closes up. This has the same design as the Bosch wiper blades. Very nice. So this is the driver's side. This one here is the passenger side. And this one here is for the rear window. Now this is going to be a direct replacement of the original factory one. Let's first start with replacing the driver's side wiper. Lift the arm up. To remove the wiper, you need to lift up this plastic cover. And then slide the wiper blade down. And this comes out. Now be very careful. You don't want to slam this down on the windshield because it's metal, because you're going to crack the windshield. Now looking at these side by side, same length, 26-inch. To install the new wiper, squeeze the 2 sides on this cover and lift this open. And then slide this hook through the cover. And then make sure this hook goes around this plastic piece and slide it forward. Close this cover. And this wiper is installed. Now repeat the same procedure for the passenger one. And this one's done. Here's a look at these new wipers. Let me show you why I had to replace the Nissan wipers. If you look on the end, the rubber is separated. Same on this side. Same thing for the passenger side. Now I'm going to replace the rear wiper. Lift this up with the rear wiper. Bend this out. And it'll snap out. Just like that. Here's a side-by-side look of the new one on the right and the old one on the left. To install this, slide this front part into the wiper and then push this in. And that's it. Now you can put this down. And here's a look at the rear wiper. Right now it's raining really hard, and it's a good time to test out the new wipers. I'll get in the car and show you how well they work. Now let's check out the back wiper. Overall, I think there's a really good set of silicone windshield wipers. Now besides fitting this Nissan Rogue, this will also fit a 2014 to 2023 Nissan Pathfinder, and also a same year model QX60. And you can get this set for $21, which is a very good price. I'll include the link below so you can check it out. I hope you enjoy watching this video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.